Welcome back to Julie's Kitchen, where we will show you how to make delicious meals. Today we will be making spinach and herb chicken Alfredos, fettuccine. Let's get started. Today we're serving up 2 tablespoons butter, 8 ounces of cream cheese, in case we didn't say it already, 1 pound chicken, 1 box of fettuccine noodles, 1 tablespoon spinach and herb seasoning, 1 tablespoon onion seasoning, 3 cups of chicken broth, 1 teaspoon avocado oil, 1 package artichoke and spinach warm dip mix, 1 cup of half and half, 1/2 cup Parmesan cheese, my favorite.
This is going to be pressure cooked in the Ninja pressure cooker. Right now we have the setting on saute and sear, and we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of the avocado oil.
Add 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to go ahead and add that sweet chicken. Yeah. Stir it up. Try not to get splashed with avocado oil. Put in the 1 tablespoon of onion.
Alright.
The tablespoon of spinach herb.
So you want to saute this for 3 to 4 minutes.
We're going to add the chicken broth. Satisfying.
Go. 1
cup half and half. It looks like milk. A little too much. 1 with a package of artichoke and spinach dip mix.
Alright, mix it around.
So what my mom did is she broke the fettuccine in half and put it in crisscross.
So now what I've done is I set it over to pressure cook for 8 minutes with the pressure cooker and made sure that the seal is sealed. So we cooked it for 8 minutes and then let it naturally sit for 3, and then we released the valve. So I'm not entirely happy with the way the noodles came out. They came out a little undercooked for what we in our home like. So what I'm doing is I'm making another cup of chicken broth, and I'm going to put it in with the noodles. All right, I'm going to let this cook down for about another 3 minutes. Now we're adding the cream cheese.
1/2 cup of Parmesan.
And mix it up.
A little fresh parsley and dinner served.